You're watching today's video technical update presented by FX Times. It is Tuesday, May 11th, 2010. I'm Fan Yang, your technical analyst, and I'll go over some developments in the forex markets. Today, I'll take a look at the dollar Canadian dollar, Aussie dollar, and the euro pound pairs. Commodity currencies are hanging on after last week's hit. The euro continues to be pressured, but the pound is finding some strength, leading to further slide in the euro pound. You can find updates on other pairs on FX Times as well. This video is being produced at about 12:30 p.m. Eastern Time in the middle of the US trading session and after the close of the UK session. Looking at the dollar Canadian dollar pair, yesterday I was anticipating the market to close the gap, but we saw that the price action failed to rally above this previous low here, minor low here, 1.03. That was an important level. The market failed to move above. We saw some negative reverse RSI reversal, suggesting further negative or bearish attempt, and so I have to adjust any bullish outlook now. I'm going to shelf that and look at consider the bearish continuation, Canadian dollar holding strong along with other commodity currencies today. Looking at the 4-hour time frame, we see that the market indeed did, had a little consolidation here right above this 50 moving average, and now is breaking below that. The 40 here in the RSI is also being tested. Price action shows a strong bearish takeover after this consolidation. Looking at the daily, we see that we have 3 days of very strong decline, or 3 days of very strong performance by the Canadian dollar, and is now past the 61.8% retracement of this rally. So that's another reason to shelf any bullish outlook at the moment. Look for this market to continue and test the parity level again. Here we have a rising trend line that is breaking, so again a lot of all signs are pointing to a bearish attempt to test the parity level. Having said that, you should note that there is some support here around a 78.6% retracement right above 1.01. Looking at the 4-hour time frame, this is the previous consolidation zone here. And as we enter that, we're going to test the middle where the 200 moving average in the 4-hour time frame resides. So there's going to be some support here. See if the market can break that and go towards parity level at the bottom of this range. Here's a look at the Aussie dollar, and it's almost a flip image of the dollar Canadian dollar. The Aussie here is hanging on strong after this slide last week. There was some slide to start today's session, but the market rejected that. So looking at the 4-hour time frame, this is the slide we saw, and now the market looks to reverse the slide after testing the gap that opened the week, and this is actually and also the previous high here on Friday. So market showing some strength for the Aussie dollar pair. If there's a swing projection, it's up to the 0.92 area to test this 200 moving average, and you see this is the previous consolidation zone, and just like the Canadian dollar Canadian dollar pair, this projection goes to the middle of this zone. So once again, look for the market to continue this rally and look for topping action near 0.92. Here's the 1-hour time frame. We need to see the market break above this declining trend line, and another confirmation would be a break above the 60 for the RSI. So we need some strong bullish action to confirm this outlook. Okay, so this is the Aussie dollar pair. Once again, 4-hour time frame for the swing projection. Here's the euro pound pair, and as we all know, there are major themes in the eurozone, the debt crisis, and there's a major theme in the UK with their hung parliament. Today we saw that the euro continues to be pressured while the pound found some strength. So here's a 4-hour time frame. You saw, actually let me switch to the 1 hour time frame. This was yesterday's setup. We saw double top form after this gap close, so this was a very bearish implication coming out of the week. And then the market consolidated. A break here. Basically, we were here when we were doing the video post yesterday. Somewhere here with this correction, and anticipation was that if this correction is done, another decline could come down to test this previous low here at 0.8450. The market is looking to test that now. So now moving back to the 4 hour time frame, just to review, we had this M top action here, test the 60 RSI level, and actually the outer range of our bearish RSI rate, the upper bound of our RSI bearish range. So this was a very bearish indication, and the market is following through. Okay, so expect to see some further decline. It's almost there at the 0.8450 area. Okay, and that wraps it up for today. Visit fxtimes.com for more analysis updates and live events. Once again, I'm Fan Yang, your technical analyst here at fxtimes.com, wishing you good trading.